Take question 12 of exercise 6.5. Okay. Find the maximum and minimum value of x plus sine 2x on 0 to pi. X plus sine 2x on 0 to pi. Find the maximum and minimum value of. So here solution, given function fx equals to x plus sine 2x, sine 2x, and interval is 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi. Here we also find the absolute maximum and minimum value. So first of all, we have to find critical points. For that, find derivative. X derivative of x 1 sin 2x 2 cos 2x. So for critical points, f dash x equals to 0 implies 1 plus 2 cos 2x equals to 0. Now solve it and find the value of x that lie in between that 0 to 2 pi. So here 2 cos 2x equals to minus 1, that is cos 2x equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means what? Minus cos of, we can write 60 minus half cos 60. Cos 60 means cos pi by 3. Okay, minus cos pi by 3. So solve this trigonometric equation. Minus, we can write cos pi minus cos pi minus pi by 3. Cos pi minus pi by 3, that means in second quadrant cos will be negative, so minus cos pi by 3. That is correct. Okay, so we can write cos 3 pi minus pi means 2 pi by 3. So cos 2x equals to cos 2 pi by 3. Clear? So by using trigonometric solution of trigonometric equation, 2x equals to, we can write 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Okay, where n belongs to integers, implies x equals to n pi divided by 2 plus minus pi by 3, implies we are taking those values which lies between 0 to 2 pi. So here if n equals to 0, then plus pi by 3, not minus pi by 3 for this interval. So x equals to pi by 3, and second value, if we put n equals to 1, then pi minus pi by 3 gives 2 pi by 3. Okay, n equals to 1, 2 pi by 3. When n equals to 1 and minus pi by 3. Clear? When n equals to 1, pi plus pi by 3 means 4 pi by 3. Because these values are in between value of 0 to 2 pi. And when n equals to 2, then 2 pi minus pi by 3. 6 and 5 pi by 3. This is also in between 0 to 2 pi. But 2 pi plus pi by 3 means greater value than 2 pi. So only these values are belongs to 0 to 2 pi. So these are critical points for this interval of this function. Okay, so we have to find all the values of the functions at these 4 points and also at endpoint 0 and 2 pi. Then we can decide maximum and minimum value. Okay, now we get f of first value pi by 3, second value 2 pi by 3, third value 4 pi by 3, fourth value 5 pi by 3, and f of 0 and f of 2 pi. Okay, we have to find all these values. Here f pi by 3, x means pi by 3 plus sine of 2 into pi by 3 means 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 equals to, what will be the value? Pi by 3 plus sine 2 pi by 3 means pi minus pi by 3. That is plus root 3 by 2. That is plus root 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 plus sine of 2 times of, that is 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 equals to 2 pi by 3. Sine 4 pi by 3 means sine pi plus pi by 3. We can write pi plus pi by 3. Sine pi plus means third quadrant, that is minus sine. Pi by 3 means root 3 by 2. Similarly, here 4 pi by 3, getting value of the function at this point, sine of 8 pi by 3. 2 pi, 8 pi by 3. Here 4 pi by 3. 8 pi by 3 means sine of 3 pi minus pi by 3. Okay, in that case you can write minus plus root 3 pi by 2. Plus root 3 pi by 2. Similarly, here 5 pi by 3 plus sine of 10 pi by 3, 2 times 5 pi by 3 plus 10 sine 10 pi by 3, that is 4 pi by 5 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. f0 equals to sine 0 equals to 0. f2 pi equals to sine 4 pi. Sorry. Here f0 equals to 0 plus sine 0 equals to 0. 2 pi plus sine 4 pi. That is equals to 2 pi. Plus 0 equals to 2 pi. So from here it is clear that from all these values, greater value is 2 pi, because pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, also minus something, pi by 3 plus 4 pi by 3 means plus something, 5 pi by 3 plus something, 3, 2 not, also negative value. So here 0, here 2 pi. This is minimum value, this is maximum value. This is minimum value, this is maximum value. So thus we get, you can write thus we get f maximum value equals to 2 pi at x equals to 2 pi, and f minimum value equals to 0 at x equals to 0. Okay, this is our answer. Okay. Take question 14 of exercise 6.5, that is, find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equals to 60 and xyq is maximum. Okay, xyq is maximum. Here this type of questions can be solved. Here two positive numbers x and y we have to find such that we have to find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y equals to 60. X plus y equals to 60. From here we can write y equals to 60 minus x. Okay. And xyq is maximum. Okay, x plus y equal to 60, and also this should be maximum. So let fx equals to x y q. For finding maximum or minimum value, we have to create a function. So because this should be maximum, so let us suppose this is the function. Now convert it in terms of x by helping the relation. So this is equals to x, y means 60 minus x, 60 minus x, q in place of y. Clear? So fx equals to this. Now our process will be what? Find critical points, that is first derivative, second derivative, first derivative equal to 0, then we can get critical points, then test sign of second derivative. So here differentiate first time equals to differentiate this product of two function. So this is first function. Derivative of first function is 1. Second is 60 minus x cube. 1 into this. Now plus first function as it is. Derivative of second function, that is 3 60 minus x square. 3 60 minus x square, and also 60 minus x derivative minus 1, that is minus 1. So we can write this 60 minus x cube and x square. So 60 minus x can be taken out common. So here 60 minus x 1 times minus 3x. So this is equals to 60 minus x square, and here 60 minus 4x. 60 minus 4x. This is our first derivative. Okay, this is our first derivative. Clear? Also, we are requiring the value of double derivative. So again differentiate it. Again differentiate with respect to x. This is first function, this is second function. So differentiate the first function, that is 260 minus x, and also differentiate 60 minus x, that is minus. This is derivative of first function into second function, 60 minus 4x plus, and now derivative of the first function as it is, 60 minus x square into derivative of second function. Okay, so minus 4 derivative of, because first function is this and derivative of second function 0 minus 4. So this is 4. This is. Now taking common from this to quantity, minus 260 minus x, minus 260 minus 1 times. So minus 260 minus x 1 times bracket, minus 260 minus is 60 minus 4x. Here minus common out, so plus 260 minus x 1 times plus 260 minus x 1 times. Okay, this is equals to minus, here we can solve it, 2 into 60 120 and 60 180, and minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x, 180 minus 6x, 180 minus 6x, minus 2 60 minus x 180 minus 6x. Clear? This is second derivative. Now our process is finding critical points. So for critical points, so for critical points, f dash x equals to 0, f dash x equals to 0 implies f dash x means this 60 minus x square, 60 minus 4x equals to 0. You can get from here by solving x equals to 60 and 50. These are the critical points maybe. Now, for x equals to 60, double derivative. 60 minus x equals to 60, this is 0. So, double derivative 0. So, this value will cancel here from here. And for x equals to 15, if double dash x equals to minus 2, 60 minus 15, 180 minus 60 into 15. This value can be simplified more. 6 taking common out to minus 12, 60 minus x, 30 minus x. Okay, so using this here, minus 12, okay, minus 12, 60 minus 15 and 30 minus 15. So equals to minus 12 into 45 into 15. So this is a minus sign, less than 0. Less than 0. So for x equals to 15, double derivative is less than 0. Second derivative is less than 0. That is, at x equals to 15 is a point of maxima. Implies x equals to 15 is a point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. Okay? And this point gives the maximum. Local maxima, thus f maximum equals to thus for maximum value of f x, that is what, x y cube, x equals to 15 and also and y equals to 60 minus x equals to 60 minus 15 equals to 45. Okay, therefore two positive numbers are 15 and 45. This is our answer. Okay. Now take question 18 of exercise 6.5, where here a rectangular sheet, of length 45 and breadth 24. Rectangular sheet. We have to cut off a square from 4 corners and then making a box without top such that the volume of the box will be maximum. Suppose, so let the side of the square be cut from 4 side, be x centimeter. Okay, all sides are x. Square. All sides are x. And then by folding it, we have to create a box without top. So if these are the 4 squares cutting off, the side of the square is x centimeter, then box, length of the box and breadth of the box, height of the box will be x centimeter and breadth 24 minus x, x to x, 2x, okay, 2x, and similarly 45 minus 2x. This will be the length and this will be the breadth and height x. So solution, let the side of cutting square be x centimeter, then length will be 45 minus 2x and breadth 24 minus 2x and height of box will be length of box, will be this, breadth this, breadth will be this, and height of the box will be x centimeter. Therefore, volume of box is given by Vx equals to length into breadth into height, that is x into 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x. Okay. Now we have to find maximum value of volume. For that, what will be the value of x? So solving it, x multiply it 1080 minus 90x minus 48 x plus 4x squared. This is equals to, we can write 4x square into x, 4x cube minus 138x square plus 1080x. Okay, this is Vx. This is our Vx. Now, for we have to find first and second derivative. So differentiate it. V dash x equals to 12 x square minus 132 276 x plus 1080. This is first derivative. Taking common 12, so x square minus 23x plus 90. 12 into 23, you can check 12 into 23, 276. Okay, so and 90 into 12, 90 into 12. Okay, so this is our V dash x, and this can be also, I think, x minus 18 and x minus 5. Okay, 18 minus, you can get minus 5x minus 18x minus 23x and 5 into 18 90 plus 90 and x into x square. Okay, this is the value. This is the first derivative, and also find second derivative. Also find the second derivative from here. So 2 into 12, 24x minus 270x 6x x 276, and this is 0. Okay, so this can be solved taking common out 12, then 2x minus 23, because 2 into 20 12 into 23 equals to 270x. Na? So we can take common 12 like this. This is the second derivative. Okay. Now for critical points, for maxima or minima, that is critical point, V dash x equals to 0. So solving it, V dash x means what? This 12, 18 minus x, x minus 18, sorry, x minus 18 and x minus 5 equals to 0, x equals to 18 and 5. So these two value may be critical points, that is for point of maximum or minimum. Here we see that if we take x equals to 18, then breadth will be 24 minus 2 into 18, 36. That will be the negative. So 18 is not possible. For Now, if x equals to 18, breadth will be negative. Therefore, x equal to 18 is not possible. So, we take x equals to 5 and we see that v double dash x, v double dash this 12 2x minus 23, that is v double dash at 5, 2 into 5 minus 23, 12 into 10 minus 23, 12 into minus 13 equals to minus 156 is less than 0. Minus 156, 12 and 13, okay, 56, okay. So, second derivative at 5 is negative, that means x equals to 5 is a point of maxima, that is at x equals to 5, volume of box will be maximum. Okay, so x equals to 5 centimeter. So side of the cutting square B, x centimeter means if we take x centimeter cutting side of a square, then volume will be maximum. So this is our answer. So finally you can write like this. Finally you can write final answer you can write like this. Thus, if we cut off 5 centimeter side of square, cut off 5 centimeter side of a square, then the volume of box will be maximum. Okay, 5 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay. Now take question 19 of exercise 6.5. Here, from all the rectangles which we can be inscribed in a given circle, the square has the maximum area. That is, suppose given circle means fixed, given circle means suppose this circle is fixed. This is a circle, it is fixed. Fixed means radius fixed. Okay? This is circle, it is fixed. This is center. And its radius is, suppose first of all we draw the diagram for rectangle. And this is diagonal of This is diagonal. B, C, D. O is the center of circle. R is radius. Suppose A is radius. Suppose R is radius. Length is X. Breadth is Y. That is, this is a given circle and we are inscribed a rectangle in this circle. Rectangle, length is this, breadth is this. Okay, length X, breadth Y. And then the diagonal of the given fixed circle, radius of fixed circle is capital R. Okay, then diagonal of the rectangle will pass through the center like this. Okay, this is, since this is a rectangle, so this is 90 degree. So here this is radius, so diameter will be 2r. Diameter will be 2r. This is also r. From this right angle triangle ABC. So here let a rectangle of length X and breadth Y be inscribed in a fixed circle of radius r, then diagonal of rectangle pass through center of circle O. Then and we get from right triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. This gives AC means 2R. 2R square equals to AB means X square, BC means Y square. From here, Y square equals to 4R square minus X square. That is, Y equals to root of 4R square minus X square. This is the value of Y. X is length, Y is breadth, X breadth is also in terms of X. Okay. Now we have to prove that you can make rectangles in different size. X may be reduced, may be large, and Y may be also accordingly. So the area of this rectangle will be maximum when rectangle will be a square, that is X equal Y. We have to prove it. Okay. So now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is A equals to length into breadth. Length means x, breadth means y. So x into y means 4r square minus x square. This is area. Now we have to maximize this. So differentiate it with respect to x implies dA upon dA, first derivative. Okay, product of two function. This is first function. Derivative is 1. Second function as it is 4r square minus x square plus, as it is first function, derivative of this means 1 upon 2 root of 4r square minus x square. Here r is fixed. Root over function 1 upon 2 root this. I also differentiate this. 4r square 0 minus 2x. Minus 2x. Okay. This is the first derivative. So solving it. 2 to cancel. X 2 to cancel, minus sign. So here we can write 4 r square minus x square minus of x square. Minus of x square upon root of 4 r square minus x square. And this is equals to, taking LCM, 4 r square minus x square upon root of 4r square minus x square. This is equals to, you can write 4r square minus 2x square. X square minus 2x square. 2x square. Okay, upon root of 4r square minus x square. This is the derivative, first derivative. Okay, clear? Now just we have to write this first derivative here. dA upon dx equals to 4 r square minus 2x square upon root of 4 r square minus x square. Okay, this is first derivative. Clear? Now we have to find second derivative for testing whether first derivative is this and also find second derivative d2a upon dx square, that means again differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so quotient formula, numerator to denominator. So numerator, denominator, root of square of denominator. So square means root, cancel, so 4 r square minus x square, and denominator, that is 4 r square minus x square, this is denominator, into differentiation of numerator with respect to x, this is 0, x minus 4x, 4x minus 4x, negative, minus sign, then as it is numerator 4r square minus x square into differentiation of denominator 1 upon 2 root 4r square minus x square, differentiation of this into 1 upon 2 root of this, also differentiation of this, minus 2x minus 2x. This is second order derivative. Now solve it. Here root over, you can solve it, root over 4r square minus x square into minus 4x minus plus 2 cancel, x 4r square minus x square upon root over 4r square minus x square upon 4r square minus x square. Okay. Now taking LCM in numerator, this comes to here. So denominator will be 4r square minus x square power 1 and 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and this into this means 4 r square minus x square, root cancel, you can root this. Okay, minus 4x here plus x 4r square minus x square. Now this is equals to, we can multiply it. So minus 16r square x 4 r square x, so minus 12 r square x minus plus 4x cube minus x cube minus 4x cube here minus 4 minus plus 4x cube and here 2, so here 2 x square, 2 x square, 2 x square. Okay, two x square, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. So minus 12 r square x and minus 2x cube minus plus 4x cube plus 4x cube minus 2x cube plus 2x cube upon, okay, minus 12 r square x minus plus 4x cube minus 2x cube, 2x cube upon 4 r square x square power 3 by 2. This is second derivative. This is second derivative, d2a upon dx square. This is our second derivative. This is first derivative, this is second derivative. Okay, now we have to test. Clear? First derivative and second derivative. Now, just we have write, just I am writing here derivative. This and second derivative is d2a upon dx square equals to, what we get, like this, minus 12 r square x plus 2x cube upon 4 r square minus x square power 3 by 2. This is first derivative, this is second derivative. Okay. Now for maximum or minimum of area of rectangle. Now for maxima or minima of area of rectangle. dA upon dx equals to 0, means this equals to 0. 4r square minus 2x square upon root of 4r square minus x square equals to 0, means this equals to 0. 4r square minus 2x square equals to 0. That means x equals to root 2 r. This is x equals to root 2 r. Okay, and also y equals to root of 4r square minus x square root of 4r square minus x square. X square means 2r square. This is equals to what? 4r square, 2r square, 2r square. This is equals to also root 2r. So this implies x equals to y equals to root 2r. Both are equal. Okay, length and breadth are equal. And we have to show that at this point x equals to root 2r, double derivative is negative. Then our question will be solved. And also we see that second derivative d2a upon dx square at x equals to root 2 r. Second derivative minus 12 r square x equals to root 2 r plus 2 x equals to root 2 r cube upon 4r square minus x equals to root 2 r or 2 power 3 by 2. Okay. By solving this, we can get minus 4. You can solve it. You can get like this. How? Here 4r square minus 2r square. So 4r square minus 2r square means 2r square power 2r square power 3 by 2 power 3 by 2 power 3 by 2. Now here r cube minus 12 root 2 r cube plus root 2 3 times root 2 3 times means root 2 and 2 root 2 4 root 2 r cube 4 root 2 r cube, just like this. Okay, here square cancel, 2 power 3 by 2 power 3 by 2 r power 3. Also in numerator r cube common, 4 root 2 common, 4 minus minus 4 root 2 common. 4 root 2 common is 3 r cube common. 4 root 2 r cube minus common. So here we get 3 minus 4 root 2 r cube common. So minus 4 root 2 r cube 3 minus 1. Okay, common out. Now this is equals to, we can write 3 minus 1 2. 2. Okay. So here minus 4 root 2 2 2 power 3 by 2 r cube 2 power 3 by 2 r cube. That is cancelled out. Equals to what? Minus 4. Equals to minus 4. This is less than 0. Second derivative at x equals to this. Equals to minus 4 less than 0. That is, area will be maximum at x equals to root 2r. And x and y are equal. Thus we see that x and y are equal. That means rectangle is a square for maximum area. So thus we can write we see that for x equal y equal root 2r, the area of rectangle is maximum as second derivative is less than 0. And since x equal y, that is length equal breadth, therefore rectangle is a square for maximum area. For maximum area. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay.